Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom. Today in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can remove your thread badge from your Instagram ID. So without any delay, let's start the video. First go to your Instagram. So make sure this Instagram ID is connected to your thread app. Now go to your profile on bottom right. Now you can see the thread ID on top here. This is the number of this is the user number. I am the 38 million user number. All you have to do is click this icon and you can see this temporary badge lets your follower know you are on threads and send them to your profile if they have the apps. This is the temporary badge from Meta. So all you have to do is select this hide badge here, just click that and remove this badge and click this option. Now as you can see, my thread badge is gone and it is removed. So that is it for today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.